I'm Charlotte Dwelling. I'm an apprentice at Ashtons Legal. I'm currently in my 3rd year in commercial property. My previous seats have included dispute resolution and regulatory and criminal. I think predominantly it was getting that hands-on experience early on in my career. I feel like if I went the conventional route of going to university, I wouldn't have got that hands-on experience. It's very much book heavy, a lot of studying, and I think if you can combine both practical and theoretical learning into one, it just makes you a better solicitor, I guess, in the long run, and just helps both learning your law degree, but also in the workplace, like both ways work hand in hand. I have doubted taking the apprenticeship route. I think just naturally being at school and then leaving, do your exams, everyone's talking about going to university and you're just like, oh, shall I just go with everyone else? But then apprenticeships were an option and I thought, well, why not just get into the career earlier, build my network earlier, just get a lot of hands-on experience. So yeah, it was a bit nerve-wracking taking that step. Each day is different. Typically it's getting involved in meetings with other solicitors and partners. If it's just sitting in, making attendance notes. Sometimes you'll get involved in research tasks, drafting various documents, emails, getting involved in team meetings, or sometimes it's going to court and then going to client meetings as well, away from the office. I chose Ashtons Legal because it's a full service law firm and we've got highly ranked departments in various areas of law, regionally and nationally. There's just so many different areas of law compared to like a typical commercial law firm. I feel like if I would have gone to a commercial law firm, then I would be limiting myself somewhat in the different areas I could qualify into. Ashtons was the winner. It just provides lots of opportunities for someone quite young in their career. So the support I get as an apprentice is I'll get a study day each day. Mine is on Monday and I won't be expected to work for Ashtons. I can just use that day, block it out, study, attend seminars with BPP. Also, I feel like there's a lot of understanding within my teams I'm working with. They know that we're juggling studying and working. So if we have exams coming up, there isn't that pressure to work solidly. They're a bit lenient, so that's really nice and supportive. I think my advice would be to someone applying for apprenticeships would be to maybe pick out 3 law firms you're really interested in and really want to apply to and research them in depth. Don't apply to like 25 law firms, there's no point. You've got to really find what you want to do, you think you've got an interest in, whether that's legal negligence, family, corporate and commercial. See what law firms really specialise in that and then just do a lot of research and then that makes your application stand out.